Welcome to the weekly weather briefing for Monday, April 11th. I'm meteorologist Jeffrey Cote. The weather pattern changes this week, with potential for precipitation increasing and peaking around Thursday. Breezy conditions on Tuesday will usher in cooler temperatures and lower snow levels before drier, milder conditions return for the weekend. A broad low moves into the Pacific Northwest Thursday. I will speak more about that feature in a moment. Weak fronts tracking in ahead of it will bring alternating wet and dry periods through Wednesday, while a shower threat lingers behind it on Friday. The first threat develops early Tuesday with the first weak front, dissipates towards evening, then redevelops Wednesday afternoon with a second weak front. This image shows the overall precipitation potential before and after that low. The light green shaded region denotes areas with the highest chance of precipitation. The whiter shading shows a medium threat, while the unshaded areas near the lee of the Cascades may come away with little to no precipitation. Outside of the mountains, the precipitation on these days looks light, with 1/10 of an inch or less with each weak front. In the mountains, up to 1/3 of an inch may be found. Snow levels will average around 4,000 to 5,000 feet this period, lowest near the Cascades. This may mean some light snow accumulations in the mountain passes. However, during the daylight hours, this may not effectively accumulate on roads. In addition to a chance of precipitation, Tuesday's quick-moving front will usher in cooler temperatures, and that will contribute to breezy conditions. Winds will increase from the west and southwest through the morning, and peak in the afternoon at 10 to 20 miles per hour with possible gusts up to around 30. Significant impacts are not expected, but those in high-profile vehicles may notice, and unsecured objects may not stay in one spot. This image shows the higher focus for those winds across the eastern Columbia Basin. Late Wednesday night into Thursday morning, a broad area of low pressure moves towards the coast and tracks inland during the day Thursday. Precipitation is expected to develop from the south overnight and expand across the region Thursday. The best chances and possible heavier precipitation amounts will be along a stationary front extending from the low. Right now, however, models diverge over the track of the low, and so disagree over location of that steadier and higher precipitation potential. This image shows the possible tracks, a northern and southern track. The southern track has some favor at this time, supporting the best precipitation potential along and south of I-90. If the northern track verifies, the steadier precipitation shield could be further north. So whether or not a location will have just light precipitation or heavier amounts remains to be seen. Though again, the southern track has some favor. Two possible impacts would be debris flows or mudslides or just ponding of water in that steadier band, and some snow over the mountain passes. But confidence that there will be actual impacts is low. Here is an overview of the next 7 days for Spokane, showing temperatures falling through the middle of the week, dropping below normal before pushing back towards the 70s by Sunday. This fluctuation in temperature coincides with the increasing precipitation chances. Now here is an overview of the next 7 days for Wenatchee, showing a similar trend with cooling temperatures and rising precipitation chances into the middle of the week, before more warm weather. This is the 8 to 14-day outlook issued by the Climate Prediction Center. The outlook calls for a high probability of warmer than normal temperatures and a medium probability of below normal precipitation. Thank you for listening. You can stay informed on the latest weather by following us on Facebook, Twitter, or watching our weekly weather briefings on YouTube. Have a great week.